Hi guys, today I will show you that how you will check the brake booster leak basically, and how you will check its diaphragm whether it's leaking or not. To check the front seal of the brake booster, from where it's normally leak, basically the brake booster is okay but the front seal is not okay. So how you will check it? Now you can see that if you blow air into the brake booster, you will hear the hissing sound over here, that this seal is not actually working and holding the vacuum basically. So this is the major problem in this brake booster. You can see that it's a large gap in between the shaft and the seal, so it's become the cause of the vacuum leak when you press the brake pedal actually. So the car will stall, and if you feel that your brake is hard, normal than hard, and if you are pressing continuously your brake and if your engine stalls, so this means that the brake booster is actually leaking the vacuum. And the second thing is that if you hear the whistling sound from the brake booster, so it probably means that it actually losing the vacuum. So these are the main reasons that you will have to check the either the front seal of the brake booster, or the diaphragm of the brake booster. Right now I have Nissan 1987 brake booster, and it has two bolts in front. Normally in the modern version, it has a lock on the back side. So I will make a video on that later on. So first of all, we will unscrew these two nuts, and but not fully, because it has a spring and it will push it back, so it may cause injury. So nicely remove the bolts from the brake booster. So look, it's pushing back. Now it's open, so because it has a spring over here. Let's disassemble it and see what is inside. Here one thing to be noticed, that it's completely oily. This means that the brake master cylinder has a leakage, and this leakage actually came inside. Now to remove the diaphragm, push it outward, and the diaphragm will be separated. This black is actually the diaphragm. Yeah, press it firmly, and it will remove the back cover of the brake booster from the diaphragm. So the diaphragm has actually the lock with the back cover, so remove it firmly. So here pay the full attention to the diaphragm, whether it is a rupture or not, or it has a puncture or not. So it's very important that the diaphragm must be okay. So closely inspect it and thoroughly so confirm it whether it is okay or not. Here is the back seal of the air filter is installed over here, which is too dirty. We will clean it as well. So I will open these three screws, but later on when I clean this whole diaphragm and the stuff. So let's start the cleaning process. Remember one thing, that this is a second seal from the back side. So also inspect this, it must be intact. Remember one thing, that when you are assembling it, put a grease on each and every item, that which may not cause the friction.